welcome back to channel the RockStar-Darshan. Today's video. So my dad bought a toy for me. I wanted to show you it. So here it is. It was by someone else. Never mind the age. Yeah. So what we have here is microfigure, a recycle, sand, mystery spinners, stickers, and grab a pen. So let's open it. So what do you? It's getting bigger. Wait for it to open. Do you guys know how to open this? Oh! Red. So excited, I'm going to give it a hug. I didn't open. Oh my gosh. It's a blind bag. Look what a car I got. Look here. So excited. Oh my gosh. Next we're going to open this. Oh, look! I got stickers! Sticker! Friendsville sticker! Now let's open these. Blind bags. Let's open the sand. Let's open the sand later. And pack. So let's open. Have this one, but I can't find it anymore. Oh, let's open these bad guys. Hello guys, I'm a witch. Next we go. Dun, 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 dun. Peggy, come and pet us friends. Next, let's have I remember the bag. It feels something. It feels like a. I don't know. Well, we got to find it out. That one we're open. Here is it. That's better. Sand. I want to know which color we get. Do you know which color I get? Please comment below.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి. మరెన్నో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ డూ సపోర్ట్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ధన్యవాదాలు.